Hi there, I'm Caroline from Cake Holiday, and today let's talk about light reflector screens and how to take one out of its packet and then put it away again. In cake photography, we would use a light reflector screen to shine some sunlight back onto the dark side of our cakes. So they're really useful. Unzip and make sure you grab all the bits so it doesn't spring out on you. And then let it pop to shape but away from your face so it doesn't catch you. The smaller ones are easier than the bigger ones. So there's this shiny side, and there's a gold bit in the middle as well, and a black side too. And there's also a little diffuser screen in here which we use for a different purpose. So it's easy enough to get out, but how do we get it back in this little case? And sometimes that's easier said than done. It can feel like a bit of a black art, but there's a little trick tip which I'll show you. I'm just going to turn this around to stop any reflections in the camera, and I'll hold it up a bit. I might obscure my face a little bit, but so you can see my hands. Both my hands are facing forwards. I've pointed my handle just somewhere that's away from my hands. Both hands pointing forwards, but now I'm going to twist one of my hands down the way, so I'm going to turn it by half. So my fingers are now pointing towards me, and my thumb is now pointing down. It's easier in front of you, like that, but just so we can see it better in the camera, I'm going to hold it up into the side a bit, so you don't lose my hands in the viewfinder. Now, we've got a hold of the reflector screen and we're not going to let it go until it's folded up, so keep your hands gripped onto the sides. And what to do is that twisted arm, twist it back the way. So move your arm, not your hand. Keep gripping. And you do half a turn and twist back towards you. Now you take your other hand and you twist that forwards. So you keep twisting for another half turn. And as you're twisting forwards, you bring the two hands close together. And everything just folds up nice and neatly in front of you, and it's no problem at all. Make sure you grab all the edges so that nothing springs back, and if you need to neaten it up, do that then, and then you can just pop it back into its case. Easy as that. When I first got one of these things, it was the bigger one, which is about that size. And I took it to a lovely, beautiful, posh, fancy wedding venue down in South Ayrshire, which shall remain nameless. And I took it out and I took my cake photographs, and then I tried to put it away again and I couldn't manage. I didn't know how to do it. I'd never bothered trying to learn. And it took me 1 hour to get the thing away again. It was terrible. I was so embarrassed. And by the time I eventually got the thing in, my cheeks were so burning red, I felt like my face was on fire. So I ran out of that venue and I didn't look back again. And then I learned how to do it, and the trick's easy if you know how. And I hope you found that useful. And I'll catch you again the next time. Bye for now.